Hello everybody, welcome back. Right, today another quick video using the air fryer, and today I'm going to be doing Quorn Swedish style meatballs here with some spaghetti and a tin of tomato soup. Now I haven't tried this before, I just thought I'd give it a go with some ingredients and bits and bobs that I've got in the cupboard. So yeah, you've seen me do the Linda McCartney meatballs, and this is pretty much going to be the same sort of thing. So I'm going to put them in the air fryer for 200 for about 10 minutes and then give them a bit of a shake to see how they get on. While that's doing that, I've got a saucepan here with some water in it that I've just got on to boil. I'll put a little bit of salt in that, cook the spaghetti and then drain the water out, put in the meatballs, the tomato soup, give it a bit of a stir, and yeah, see how we get on. Right, so I'll get these meatballs in the air fryer and come straight back. Okay, so there's the meatballs. Let's get them in here. Get it switched on. Okay, so let's go for air fry. 200. We'll start it off at 10 minutes. Right, while that's doing that, the water's boiling away quite nicely, so I'll get some spaghetti, probably about half of this packet, and then I'll get that in there with some salt, give that about 8 or 9 minutes to cook the spaghetti, drain it, and then add the tin of tomato soup. They're coming on, looking quite nice. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put them in for another 5 minutes, because obviously the pasta is boiling away nicely there. That hasn't got long to go now. So I'll put these in for another 5 minutes, and then they can be cooking while I drain the pasta and get that ready. Then all I'm going to do is just as simple really as adding the meatballs and the tomato soup and giving it a stir through. So let's get these back in. Air fry 200, let's take it down to 5. Okay. Well, I'm going to drain the pasta now. That's had about 9 minutes. So I've got my lid here. So I'm going to drain that and then add the soup. Okay, so they've had 5 minutes, and it's just as simple really as pouring those into there. And then give it a stir through. Sorry about the light everyone, I'm sort of working in my own shadow here, but I'll treat myself to a nice new tripod and get it set up so I can sort of do this, the camera will be hands free. So I'll give this a good old stir through, let it heat through for about 2 or 3 minutes. It's just enough because obviously you've got hot pasta, hot meatballs, so the soup actually won't take long at all. It'll probably nearly cook in the heat of the things that are in here. And then I'll get this into bowls and show you what it looks like with the presentation. I've done a little bit of garlic bread as well. I've just got one of those baguettes in the oven. So there we have it. That's got a bit of cheese on there. So we have Quorn meatballs with spaghetti and a can of tomato soup. And I can assure you it tastes very nice because I did taste it when I was cooking it in the saucepan. So yeah, so there you go, just another quick meal if anyone fancies a go. See you next time. Bye-bye.